How the Heart Works. Subscribe. Universal Tutor. The heart is a remarkable organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to all tissues and organs. Here's a simplified explanation of how the heart works. The structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, between the lungs. It is divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called the atria, singular, atrium, and the 2 lower chambers are called the ventricles. The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left side pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Blood flow. Deoxygenated blood from the body returns to the right atrium through large veins called the superior and inferior vena cava. When the right atrium contracts, it pushes the blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood is pumped through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs. Oxygenation of blood. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. The oxygenated blood then returns to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. Systemic circulation. When the left atrium contracts, it pushes the oxygenated blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber of the heart and contracts forcefully to pump the oxygenated blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From the aorta, the oxygenated blood is distributed to all parts of the body through an extensive network of arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. Return of deoxygenated blood. As the oxygen is delivered to the body's tissues, the blood becomes deoxygenated and picks up waste products. It then returns to the right atrium through the veins to start the cycle again. Valves and heartbeat. The heart's valves, including the tricuspid, mitral, pulmonary, and aortic valves, ensure that blood flows in one direction and prevents backflow. The heart's rhythmic pumping is controlled by electrical signals that originate from the sinoatrial SAW node, often called the natural pacemaker of the heart. The SAW node generates electrical impulses that spread through the heart, causing it to contract and pump blood. The heart's continuous pumping action is essential for maintaining circulation, ensuring that all tissues and organs receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients for proper functioning. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and avoiding risk factors such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption contribute to heart health and overall well-being. If you have concerns about your heart or cardiovascular health, it's crucial to seek advice from a healthcare professional.